Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in FC Mobile. This uses some working FC Mobile redeem codes that you can grab right now, and you're going to be able to get up to 1 million free coins. So this takes just a few minutes to do this, guys, and it is working in 2025. I spent a long time doing what I'm doing here and searching Google, also searched YouTube, watched a ton of videos. And the method that I'm going to show you is super simple, guys. This is a simple redeem code. So this is the code that you would enter in the code redemption page on the FC Mobile website, and it's going to supply your account with 1 million free coins. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. So you're going to need to use your mobile phone. As you can see here, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. You need an internet connection, and just type in www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this, cold coupons, and it's going to take you to this web page. And they have hundreds of different pages on here. I've used them for loads of different mobile games. They have promo codes for other things as well. They have a FC Mobile code specifically for FC Mobile redeem codes. So you just got to basically search FC Mobile in the search bar. And there's 2 verified codes at the time of recording this video, but as you can tell, they're super popular with thousands of ratings. You can get a code for free points and gems, but this is the code that I'm focusing on, guys. This is an FC Mobile redeem code that's going to get 1 million free coins. So this is an awesome code. If you know the cost of coins in FC Mobile, you know how much money this is going to save you. So this does look for a valid code, and it has found one. And basically, guys, it says here your coupon code is ready, and it will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you can see your FC Mobile redeem code is currently locked, and the code is sort of like hidden there. And as you can see, these are limited codes. There are tons of them, but this basically prevents people from stealing more than one code per person. So click on get full code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page here to unlock your FC Mobile redeem code. So it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions below each one. So as you can see, guys, I've got a list of tasks here that are all completely free. You just need to choose any 2 of the tasks on this page, making sure you read the description. I've accidentally clicked one there, but that one, as an example, download, install the app, and reach level 8. So if you used to choose that one, you basically just grab the app from the App Store and play the game until the desired level. You may see surveys as well. They're all completely free, super easy, takes a few minutes, and once you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to cold coupons, and your FC Mobile redeem code will say unlocked, and you can grab your code and redeem it in game or on the FC Mobile website. And that is how to get free coins in FC Mobile. In this case, it's going to get you 1 million free coins. So head on over to Cold Coupons, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more FC Mobile tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.